Hi guys, welcome to the today's class. Very good morning to one and all. First of all, welcome back to the today's class. This class I would like to give you a very important story and very important statement. Also start with the class. Already you have read many people. You saw there is a statement over there. There is a one important line we have quoted everywhere. That is called "Action speaks louder than words." So this class I will start with this very powerful and very important statement. Action speaks louder than words. What is the story behind this line? We will discuss in this class. So action means, in my perception, action means nothing but body language. In communication aspect, body language is the most important role. It's a pivotal part in communication aspect. Everybody in communication, they consider that only speaking ability. They always think about the speaking skills, speaking abilities, way of communication. That is like they are going to focus on that. But instead of speaking, body language plays a very important and crucial role in every place. For example, when you are in a workplace, when you are in a college, when you are in any workplace or colleges, or working in any other places, this body language plays a very important role. Why it is important, let me see in this class today, right? I will tell you the story behind this statement. So in communication aspect, we are giving always importance for speaking, but we are ignoring the body language. Generally, while your people are speaking, we have different type of body languages. Like some people, they speak while they are doing like this, some people they are doing like this. This is a different type of body mannerisms and body language. So this is the most important part in communication role. So body language plays a very important part. That is we called as a non-verbal. First of all, we know what is language and what is body language. So language is what we have consciously speak with the words is called language. Body language is subconscious activity. While I'm speaking, I do different activities with my body. Like maybe I put my hands in my pocket, I put my hands backside of my part body. That is a different type of body mannerisms and body activities we are doing. That is called body language. So that in communication, body language occupies 55%. This is the most important, very highest part in communication role. So that 55% is not a simple task, but if you ignore the body language, in most of the cases we failed in it. So that we something went wrong in interview process. So that give importance for body language, a proper body language. Body language means not improper gestures, improper body mannerism. That is not good. Use appropriate and formal body language skills we required. We have to practice those things only. Like while we are use hands, while we are giving shaking hands, so on and so forth. Try to focus on what are appropriate and formal body language tips and guidelines. That is a very important one. In 100% of communication, your body language plays 55%. Okay, right? Next, we give importance for this. 38% is the second important part. This is the lines share. Body language is the lines share in communication. Next important one is 38%. What is 38% in communication? Your tonal clarity. While you are speaking, you have a different type of accent, different type of pronunciation styles, a different type of way of production rhythm. That is called tonal clarity. So that in communication, second important one is tonal clarity. Here we have in tonal clarity, you have to maintain appropriate pitch, appropriate pace of the voice, appropriate tone of the voice, appropriate volume, and appropriate emotion also you should carry while you are speaking. First of all, let me see what is called pitch. Pitch means, up and downs. That is a very important key factor in tonal clarity. Maintain appropriate pitch while you are speaking. That is simply we called as stress. Next one is pace. Pace means appropriate speed. Human God has given a great mechanism for human brain. So we have that mechanism to can deliver 500 words per minute. We are not reaching that range. At least we can able to deliver 200 words per minute is appropriate for us. So that you have to maintain appropriate pace while you are speaking. That is a very important part in interview process. By that they can check your fluency and confidence. Next, tone of the voice. Maintain appropriate tone while you are speaking. Instead of low voice, we have to maintain appropriate tone. The next one is volume of the voice. And finally, emotion you should carry according to the context. We have to use we have to carry proper emotion while you are speaking. This is the second important part in communication. Now I move on the last one, but not the least. Always it is least. That is about the words or vocabulary. In most of the people, they were worried about vocabulary, words, so on and so forth, but it occupies only 7% in your communication rather than remaining all other parts, right? 55% your body language, 38% your tonal clarity, only 7% occupies your vocabulary, your words, whatever high level words, frequency of high frequency words we use while we are delivering our speech. That is only 7% which affects. So remaining 58 plus 38 means nearly 93%. Okay, without having words also we can communicate 93%, but with the help of words we can communicate only 7% of communication. So that my dear guys, don't bother and worry about the words and vocabulary. If you have a good body language, good tonal clarity, good language skills, you can go ahead, you can able to communicate very well. So that this is the most important factor in present situation while you are facing any interviews or any leading any teams. So this body language and the tonal clarity plays a very important aspect on it. So that I really very happy and very glad. I hope you are enjoying the today's class. Thanks for watching all of you. Goodbye. Bye.